must be coming up to Orient Bay area. We're getting the cliffs. That's the highway up there. That must be a drainage or something. I'll go check it out. I'll fall in a pit or something. Oh, I think I'm drunk here. Wow. Can't see the other side. Hello? Burp, burp. Yeah, goes under the highway, I guess. The water coming down from the mountain. Where are the cliffs? What do we got here now? Old signs. Oh. Wow. Okay. No trestle here. No trestle needed. Obviously been lots of traffic on here. It's kept clear. No real growth on the road. The guys made it all the way to Beardmore, so that's what we're aiming for, at least. Everybody else can do it, we can do it. There's the gas pumping station. What do we got up here? Somebody's boat. Trestle here opened up. The side-by-side will fit through there. It should. Someone's got grading on the walkway. That's kind of interesting. Yeah, 96.9. Strange. Yeah, if Chris can fit through, everybody else can fit through. Continue on. Running alongside a little lake or something here. The tracks have gotten wider. Looks like people drive on this with their vehicles. Ah, well, there's your answer. What the heck we got here now? North Shore Forest Products. Ah, interesting. Someone using it as a camp. Yeah, 100  100  100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 1 cottage, whatever you want to call it. It's like a kingfisher flying along there. How'd you be able to see him? And the duck just crossed. Still following that lake. Swamps and lakes. Yeah, looks like we got a couple of cottages there or something. And we got another barricade. Trespassing. Oh, this one's totally blocked off. Okay. Can't get any further through here. Alright, well, Dwayne said there's a trail or something that we can get around this area. So let's go find out. Marc putting along. So I don't know if we go on the highway or what the heck we do here. We got to go back to the road back here anyways. Alright. Never been up here, don't know anything about this. All I know is the guys went to Beardmore and back. So doesn't look like those barriers were ever moved. So they had to get around somehow. We'll figure it out. We're still heading back here. We're about 3 kilometers going back now. I see a road coming up here. Hopefully that's not... I don't see a road now. Past something. We're going way back. Not sure where he's going. See any dust anymore. I know we passed a trail just back there. Alright, now we turned around and we're going back. We're gonna go back to that first road, see if we can get out to the highway, maybe follow the side of the highway for a bit. We get past all the cottages. That's the main issue. Obviously, Dwayne said they went through there last fall, so obviously the cottagers have pulled the barricades back across, blocking off the bridge, blocking off the area. So we'll see if we can get through another way. Alright, we come up to the highway here, and I'm not running along the guardrail with those guys. A lot of transports on the road today. So screw that. So we're turning around, heading back. We lost Marc. I don't know what he did. Oh, I'm not even going to get into that. Maybe we'll find him, maybe we won't. Shadow Creek Road. Going back to the rail line, and we're heading back towards Nipigon. We came up 50 kilometers, so 30 miles. It was a good run. I don't know how they made it to Beardmore, but we're not. Alright, no Marc here. We just sent Dwayne and the other guy up. They go up towards the barricade, see if maybe Marc broke down up by the barricade or something, or where else he went. I have no clue. Alright, so it turns out Marc turned there, went up to the highway and went down the highway. Why, I don't know. Last time he did it, we told him, unless we're turning off the main road we're on, we'll stop and wait for him, but keep going straight. Don't turn off roads. So he went and did, and he went way down the highway to Sandy's there. I'm not going down the highway, so I'm heading back, and we're 50 kilometers up. We got 50 kilometers to go back, so unless something's real interesting on the way back, I'm not going to turn the camera on. So far it's been a good ride. Unfortunately, we're turning around. Yogi the bear. Didn't get much of a view of him, but he was in the bush on the side. Alright, back to the big trestle. Pretty cool. Nice. Nipigon River is really flowing. Very cool. Since I got the GoPro on, I'm going to take this moment to explain something. I don't know if it's because I'm tired this morning and I got a headache, or the humidity, or what, but kind of pissed off. Not happy with Marc's actions again. He knows better than that. Maybe it's just me, I don't know. But we told before, when we're on a main route, if we're turning off, we're going to stop and wait. Someone's going to wait. But he took off on his own again. You alright? You okay? What's that? Little.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. You? Yeah?
Okay, I'm good. It wasn't that hard, was it?
No, it wasn't that hard. Is that tire Yeah, I guess both your tires are in like that, eh? Fucking collided with them.
You hit him?
Yep.
Everyone okay?
Yeah. Yeah, big gash in the tire. Little ding on the rim. Could have been worse. Lucky. Like then. Whole bunch of dings. Frick. Oh well. As long as this is a sidewall too, I'm gonna have to get a new tire. Frick. Oh well. I have to get a new tire.
How bad's the gash?
Hey?
How bad's the gash?
It's on the sidewall too. Fortunately it wasn't worse.
Did you hit the back of him?
Yeah. I freaking slid the back end out into the bush, and I thought I got past them, but their back end was still over a bit.
It wasn't me because I was booking her.
Oh, you would have smoked them. Hey, well, that little collision. That's a tight trail. Nobody was hurt, thank goodness. I don't know if that was on video or not. We'll see. Alright, back. 104 kilometers. Good ride turned into a shitty ride. At least nobody was injured. Could have been worse. That's the pitfalls of going on a one-lane trail, I guess. Oh boy. Okay. Done is done. It's over. Moving on.